Hello dear students, again welcome in this session. Myself Nityanand Mishra. In last video we have discussed about the second equation of motion. In this session we will discuss the third equation of motion. All of you know that third equation of motion is v square is equals to u square plus 2as. So the figure which is used in previously first equation of motion and second equation of motion, I will explain once again here. Let us consider a body is moving with initial velocity u to final velocity v. A से B तक मूव करती है, A पर उसकी इनिशियल वेलोसिटी u होती है और B पर उसकी फाइनल वेलोसिटी v हो जाती है. During this time duration, body cover distance small s and time is t. Body is here accelerated uniformly with acceleration a. So we find the displacement or distance. Displacement is equals to area of trapezium. Area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is equals to 1/2 into sum of parallel sides. Parallel side into distance between sides. Sides के बीच में डिस्टेंस क्या है और सम ऑफ पैरेलल साइड्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके उसका हाफ कर देते हैं. Here 1/2 sum of the parallel sides. area of trapezium ऐसे राइट कर लीजिए ABDCO. यहां पे हम D भी राइट कर देते हैं ABCO सीधे कर दीजिए, वो भी चलेगा ABCO क्योंकि डायरेक्ट इसमें हम ट्रेपेजियम का फॉर्मूला राइट कर रहे हैं. तो 1/2 into sum of parallel sides. You know this and this side are parallel. So one parallel side is OA and second parallel side is BC plus distance between them is OC. Distance between them is OC. So you know that OA is equals to U, BC is equals to B and OC is equals to T. When we put the value, into 1/2 into OA is U and this is BE and OC is T. This is displacement as 1/2 U plus V. By the first equation, you know V is equals to U plus AT. V is equals to V minus U is equals to AT. Then by this relation you can write T is equals to V minus U by A. When you put the value, putting the value of T, then we get S is equals to 1/2 U plus V. ये इसको हम क्या राइट कर ले v प्लस यू कर ले. and in x v minus u by a. On solving this, all of you get know a plus b into a minus b, that is equals to a square minus v square, और नीचे मल्टीप्लाई होकर 2a हो जाएगा. When you transpose this relation, s is equals to v square minus u square upon 2a, by 1 करके क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. This convert in form of 2as is equals to v square minus u square. इसको आप राइट कर सकते हैं v square is equals to 2 square u square plus 2as. This is called third equation of motion. This is called third equation of motion, and this the relation is called displacement and इसमें कौन कौन से टर्म्स हैं? डिस्प्लेसमेंट एंड वेलोसिटी, डिस्टेंस एंड वेलोसिटी रिलेशन. So students, this topic is very important. First equation of motion, second equation of motion, and third equation of motion. In the next video we will discuss about the uniform circular motion. आपने वीडियो देखा? What you feel about this video? Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel Laksh Tutorials. Thanks for watching.